Keeping your living spaces clean and tidy is an essential part of maintaining a healthy and pleasant environment. But hey, sometimes it can be a bit tricky to clean those hard-to-reach spots. Whether it's the dusty corners of your room, the tight spaces between appliances, or the grime buildup in high areas, these spots can be frustrating to clean. But don't stress. Today, I'm going to share with you some simple and effective hacks to help you tackle some common hard-to-reach spots and make cleaning a breeze. To clear cobwebs and dust from ceilings and other hard-to-reach spaces, having a cleaning tool with an extension pole is a total game changer. The first hack is the use of extension tools. When faced with reaching high areas, extension tools are your best friend. Invest in a sturdy and adjustable extension pole that can be attached to various cleaning tools. With this pole in hand, you can easily whisk down cobwebs and dirt from ceilings or ceiling fans without the strain or the use of a ladder. There are also specialized extension dusters and brushes available that are designed to clean high areas effectively. They usually come with bendable heads that can be adjusted to fit different angles and tight spaces. Attention! Always attend to the high places first when cleaning a room so you can vacuum up the fallen debris. Dusting your blinds can be such a hassle, but guess what? You can make it way easier with your kitchen tongs. Grab those tongs, a couple of microfiber cloths, and some rubber bands. Wrap the cloth around the tongue ends and secure them with the rubber bands. Now you can use those cloth cover tongs to quickly clean every slat of your blinds, top and bottom. Vacuum cleaners are great for getting into tight spaces, but they are not narrow enough for those window traps. And this could be frustrating, but don't worry, I've got a trick for you. Grab a cardboard tube from a roll of toilet paper and some tape. Attach one end of the tube to the vacuum hose with the tape and flatten the other so that you can slide it into the window tracks and the other tight spots in your house. Your kitchen faucets can get covered in bacteria, mineral deposits, and mildew over time and become grimy. To get them sparkling clean again, all you need is an old toothbrush and some soapy water. Scrub those faucets with the soapy water and toothbrush, and you'll be amazed at how it reaches all those nooks and crannies. This is a real breeding ground for all sorts of yucky stuff. Sometimes, even a good scrubbing doesn't do the trick. So, here's what you can do. Soak a few paper towels in white vinegar and bunch them under the toilet rim. Let the vinegar work its magic for around 30 minutes. Then remove the paper towels and use your toilet brush to scrub away the remaining muck. In conclusion, cleaning hard-to-reach spots requires a little extra time and patience. It may take a few attempts to fully remove dirt or grime from those areas, but don't get discouraged if it doesn't come off on the first try. Persevere, be thorough, and adjust your techniques as needed. And you can also call Latneck and we could take care of every issue for you. Remember, the little extra effort now will make future cleaning sessions easier and more efficient. Thank you for joining me as we explore the secrets to achieving a sparkling, clean living space. I hope you find those hacks helpful and you're going to try them for yourself. And if that is too hard, you can always call Latneck to take care of every cleaning issue for you. Remember, patience, persistence, and a little creativity goes a long way when it comes to maintaining a clean and healthy living environment. By dedicating some time and effort to those overlooked areas, you can elevate the cleanliness of your living space to a whole new level. Thank you once again for joining me on this adventure. I hope you gain valuable insights and inspiration to embark on your own cleaning endeavors. Do share with me in the comment section other hacks you know that I didn't mention in this video. Also, don't hesitate to share your feedback after trying out the hacks that I've shared. Happy cleaning!